So we are at 5830 North Jones. This street at this side of the city is actually quite busy, honestly. But this property doesn't really sit right in front of it. It kind of just a little bit tucked in, but you know, still on the road. It's quite a big property, and it does have a lot of the front yard, RV parking right over here. Let's see. Okay, so this is the RV parking and some other parking. Two-car garage. Very nice circular driveway. Just the backyard that we're gonna go to in a minute. Balcony. Nice mountain views. These are cars. Okay. So as we walk in, there's a stairway upstairs. Notice the flooring is missing. It is definitely older home that needs some repairs and upgrading, definitely. But there's a potential. This is just a closet. This must be the living room. There's a fan. And this is probably just a den. There's exterior door. This is a family room and a kitchen with a wet bar. This is a wet bar. Oh, I didn't open this door. This closet. Closet. A lot of closets. Missing flooring. So this is a family room. Kitchen. Very big. Has potential. Needs some upgrading, definitely. This is a wet bar. This is a pantry. Oh, and this is a formal dining room. Again, missing flooring. Missing lights. Lighting fixtures. Kitchen has a lot of counter space. Looks like it's missing an island here. I mean, that's how it feels. So, double oven. Guest bathroom. Okay. And laundry room. Simple closet here. This is exterior door. Goes right over here. This is the entrance of the house. And there's another RV parking right here. Okay, looks like this was used for RV parking. Or maybe boat parking. Some kind of parking. Okay. And let me turn the lights off here. Well, let's go outside. Let's take a look outside. Covered patio. There's a road, cul-de-sac right behind it, but it doesn't... I'm not sure what this is for, honestly. You know what, we would have to check the legal description to see if this road is actually belongs with this lot. It happens sometimes with older homes, but you can definitely put a fence here because this house doesn't have, it's not within the HOA, so you can easily do whatever you want with it. This is the back of the house. This is again the garage. cheaper garage. This looks like a shed. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, I don't have a key to it. This is that other side. This house. I wonder if you can just enclose it and have it all as well. Interesting. Well, let's go upstairs. Looks like my battery is low. So I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna show you upstairs in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs really quick. Huge balcony. All flooring is missing here. Huge balcony. Okay. One bedroom is this way. Oops. With its own bathroom. And a closet.